If the steering wheel shakes when braking, this is an indication of misalignment between front pads and discs. The steering wheel is connected to the front end, and the front end is sort of tied to the front brakes. Since the steering wheel vibrates while braking, the problem must have something to do with the front brakes. What is happening in the front pads and discs is not in even contact when braking. This will result in vibration. The most likely cause of this misalignment is warped front discs. However, it is possible the discs are okay, but rather the front wheel bearings are worn or loose. This would indirectly cause misalignment between the pads and discs. Take your car to a reputable garage and ask the mechanic to first check the front wheel bearings for wear or looseness. If the bearings are okay, you'll need to have the front brake discs machined to correct their warpage. Now, after the discs are corrected, the old pads may not mate or align well with the newly machined discs. So, you should replace the front pads as well.